Elon Musk, competitor to Jeff Bezos, tweets, didn't he say something about rockets are tough? And then the future is into the moon. Basically, here's where I'm going with this. You've talked about this before. A public loss like this, Pat, I don't think we understand this. Like, for someone like Jeff Bezos, okay, think about the most public loss you've ever had, whoever you are watching this right now. You lost the Super Bowl. You lost the big game. This guy's rocket blew up and lost how many $100 million?
$52 billion.
And everyone's talking about it. And your chief competitor is like, hey, man, sorry about that. You know, dust it off, get back out there. Go invest the money that they want you to, that they want to tax, and go build another racket.